Hello dear students, how are you? This is me, Ms.Shajwan, your English teacher from Koshish school. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Here we are going to review units 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So get ready please. Okay, you remember here the first units we reviewed this and that. We said when we have something is close to us, we use this. But the thing when it's far away, we say that. When we want to point. Look here, the car is far away from us, so we say that is a car. We have one car. That is a car. Look at this picture. Here we have a fish. We want to point. What is this? This is a fish. This is a fish. Why this? Because it's close to us. Look at pointing. How do we point? How is the distance between them? It's close, okay, not far away. But here we have the trees far away, so again we say that is a tree. That is a tree. Let's go to another activity. Here we use this, that, these and those when we have more than one thing. Okay, when we have 2, 3, 4, 10 million, trillion, a lot of things, we use these or those. Okay, look at number 1. Number 1, we have a cat. We have only one cat and the arrow is close to it. So we say what is this? Yes, very good. This. Why we use this? Because it's close to us. Okay, it's close to the arrow. But look at the snake. The snake is far away from the arrow. So we say what is that? Yes, very good. You are very smart. What is that? What is that? Because it's far away. Okay, now let's look at the cars. We have 1, 2, 3 cars and the arrow is close to them. So because we have more than one, we use these or those. Okay, these when it's close to us like this. So we say what are these? What are these? Okay, why we say these? Because it's close to the arrow and we have more than one. Good. Now let's look at the books. How many books? 2. It means again more than one. And the arrow is far away. So what are those? Yes, very good. They are far away. What are those? What are those? Very good. Okay, look at the pencils. Look at the pencils. We have more than one pencil. We have more than one pencil. Okay, so the arrow is close to them. Again, we say what are? Yes, what are these? Very good. What are these? Very good. Yes, it's close. Look at the tree. How many trees do we have? 1. How is the arrow? Is it close or far away? Yes, it's close. So we say, what is this? What is this? Not that. It's close. Okay. So what is this? Very good. Here we have 2 bags. We have 2 bags. So again, what are? What are? Because there are 2. What are? These or those? Yes, those, because look, it's far away. So what are those? What are those? Look, how do we write those? TH, the sound th. OSE, those. Okay, very good. Look at the dog. We have only one dog and it's far away. So what is? Why we say is? Because we have only one. Okay, now how is it? Is it far away or close? Yes, it's far away. So what is that? What is that? Very good. Okay, now you guess this one. We have more than one flower and it's close. So what are these or those? It's close. You think about this. I know you are smart. Very good. Okay, let's move to Unit 3. In Unit 3, we have new vocabularies. Everybody repeat after me, please. Doctor, doctor. Nurse, nurse. Teacher, teacher. Policeman, policeman. Chef, chef. Firefighter, firefighter. Okay, very good. Now, let me see who are they? Where do they work? Okay. Doctor, of course, the doctor works at the hospital, right? She helps us, he or she helps us to get well soon. When we are sick, we go to see the doctor, okay? Nurse, nurse, again, works at the hospital, okay? Works as the person who works at the hospital. Okay, very good. Teacher, teacher, like me. I'm your English teacher. The teacher teaches us, okay, at school. Policeman, policeman. For example, my dad is a policeman, right? We see policemen on the roads, help people how to go. Yes, very good. Chef, who's the chef? The chef works at the restaurant, in the kitchen, right? Prepare food or cooks food, meals. Very good. Yes. How about firefighter? Firefighter works at the fire station. Works at the fire station. Very good. Okay. Here we have is, are, or am. Let me see what do we use. Kim dash a doctor. Number 1. Kim dash a doctor. Kim is a doctor or Kim are a doctor? Yes, very good. Is. Kim is a doctor. This is Kim. He is a doctor. Okay? Kim, here we have she. Kim is a doctor. So this is number 1. The parrot dash green. The parrot is green or the parrot are green? Yes, the parrot is green. Why? Because we have only one parrot. So the parrot is green, okay? The parrot is green. We have only one parrot. This is the parrot and it's green. Okay, the frog's green. Okay, let's look at number 3. We have the frogs. The frogs, S. Why we have S? Because we have more than one frog, S. So the frogs is green or are green? Yes, are green. Why are? Because we have more than one frog. Okay, look, we have 1, 2, 3 frogs. This is number 3. The frogs are green. My mom and dad, doctors. Mom and dad, they are 2. So are, again, my mom and dad are doctors. Okay, my mom and dad are doctors. This is number 4. Very good. Okay, they dash firemen. They is or they are? Yes, they are. Very good. They are firemen. Look, for fireman, we say fireman. When we have more than one fireman, we change it to plural by changing A to E, not adding S. We don't add S here. Okay, so this is number 5. Okay, the weather, nice. The weather is nice, not are, right? We have only one weather. How's the weather? Is nice. Today is a Sunday. Today is Sunday. Okay? So here we have singular, only one. Today is one day. So Sunday. Okay? Very good. Let's move to the next page. We have Unit 4. Unit 4, we have adjectives. Adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives means to describe something or describe somebody. For example, we have this boy. When we want to describe this boy, we say he is tall. How is he? He is tall. So tall is adjective. Repeat after me, please. Tall, tall. Short, short. Old, old. Young, young. Happy, happy. Sad, sad. Big, big. Small, small. Look, we have tall, A-double-L, the sound all, tall, and small, A-double-L again, the sound all, small. Okay, very good. Let's look at this picture. Look at picture A. A, we have this boy. Let me describe this boy. How is he? We can say he is tall, happy, he is tall, happy, and young. So we can use 3 adjectives for this boy, right? Okay, let's move to B. How is she? She is tall, young, and sad. She is sad, right? Okay, go to C. She is short, short, happy, and old. Short, happy, and old. How about D? He is short, old, and sad. Okay, go to E. We have E. We can say he is happy and short. Happy and short. Also, we can say happy, short, and young. Okay. And the last one we have, this monkey. He is tall, old, and sad. Okay. And we can say these are opposites. What does it mean, opposite? Here. The opposite of tall is short. When somebody is not tall, he is short. When he is not short, he is tall. Okay? These are opposites. The opposite of old is young. The opposite of happy is sad. When you are not happy, it means you are sad. Okay? Big, small. The opposite of big is small. Let's look at this activity again. What do? We write am, are, is. Okay. I. The first one we have I. Happy. I am happy. Yes, very good. We cannot say I are happy. No, I am happy. You scared. You scared. You are scared. Can we say you is scared? No, you are scared. He small. He am? No. He are? No. Yes, he is. Very good. She is. Okay, with she, we say is. She is surprised. She is surprised. It is. It is brown. It is brown. Okay, we young. We are young. We are young. Okay, you tall. Again, you are. You are tall. You are tall. They old. They is? No. They are. Yes, very good. They are old. Okay? This is how we use verb to be. Okay? Verb to be. Good. Now let's move to Unit 5. Unit 5, we are going to talk about vehicles. What are these vehicles? Repeat after me, please. Boat, boat. Car, car. Bus, bus. Plane, plane. Van, van. Train, train. Okay, very good. See, when I say point, you look at the word. How do we write it? We look at the letters. Okay, very good. Now let's look at this bus. We describe this bus. We use the adjectives from the last unit, you remember? Okay, we can say the bus is big. The bus is big. What else can we say? Yes, very good. We can say the bus is old. The bus is old. The bus isn't new. It's not new. So we say isn't new. The bus isn't new. It's old. Okay, very good. Now here we have this car. We talk about this car. Look at this car. The car isn't old. The car isn't old. So how is the car? The car is new. The car is new. And the car is small. The car isn't big. It's not big, this car. So we say isn't big. Very good. Okay, you remember the revision page? Good. Now let's review it. We have this. Here we talk about one of them and we don't know which one is it. Look, is he a doctor? Yes, he is. Okay, because he said a doctor, so we are going to look at number 3 is a doctor, number 7 is a doctor, and number 8 is a doctor. Now we don't know which doctor is this. Okay, another description. Is he short? No, he isn't. He is not short. But number 8 is short, so we don't look at it because it's not number 8. It's saying no, he isn't. He is not short. Okay. Is he sad? Is he sad? Yes, he is. Number 7 is happy, isn't sad. But number 3 is sad, so it's number 3. That's right. Okay. Now let's look at the policeman. Okay. Is he a policeman? Yes, he is. So we look at number 1 and number 10. Okay. Is he tall? Yes, he is. So we have number 1 is tall. Number 10 is tall as well. Is he sad? No, he isn't. He isn't sad, so it's not number 10. Number 10 is sad. We are talking about number 1. He is happy. He is not sad. And like this. Okay? Very good, everybody. Go to the next video. We are going to complete summarize other units there. Good luck.